And good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. I'm Meteorologist Mike Javer. Today, we will see the humidity stick around a little bit as a cold front seeps to our south, very slowly, I should say. Anywhere in Zone A here has a chance of seeing an isolated shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, although I do believe most areas remain dry and we are able to see the sun this afternoon. Just keep an eye out for a quick downpour or two. However, highs will be in the mid-80s today for most of us. Some of us will be in the low 80s. And I believe tomorrow we'll see even more sun, but it will remain slightly on the humid side as well. And here is our cold front here that's going to be over southeastern PA early this afternoon, or what the projection is. So if there's any instability, a little bit of surface heating might promote some of that convection to form this afternoon, although, again, I do believe it will be isolated. But the HRRR radar guess this afternoon kind of shows that. It just shows some of these isolated pop-up downpours, and that's just something to keep an eye on. And best timing is actually late this morning through the early afternoon hours. I do believe the cold front seeps south enough by the evening for us to completely dry out. And tomorrow also looks a lot better in terms of that precipitation. As I mentioned, it will be a lot nicer. It will be a little bit less humid than it is today. Now, Tropical Storm Erin, everybody, is now a 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm, and here is its current track. It's expected to track just northeast of Puerto Rico and become a major hurricane as it moves west or due west-northwest, and it will turn to the north over time, and that is expected by Monday, Tuesday next week. And the GFS ensembles continuously show that northward trend, and I do believe that this will be the case, and I believe that Erin is expected to become a major hurricane, but miss the East Coast. Beach hazards, rip currents, and enhanced waves are likely next week, especially as this storm goes out to sea like this, and that will cause a problem for rip currents again for the beachgoers next week. Just keep an eye out. Make sure you're on those red flag warnings, or I shouldn't say red flag warnings, the beach hazard statements. Make sure you're reading those every morning just to make sure it's safe to go out in the water, as some of these rip currents may be strong and the wave heights are a little bit higher than usual as such a strong hurricane moves out into the middle Atlantic. However, the CPC 8 to 14 day temperature outlook for our area, below average. Refreshing air likely returning with highs in the 70s between August 21st and 27th. It will certainly be a little bit of a break from the humidity once again. And as we approach September, this might be the pattern we're dealing with here. It will be a little bit on the drier side, so precipitation will continue to be a little bit scarce. So we're going to keep an eye on that. And that's all I have for you guys today. Happy Thursday. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.